Japan's economy shrank slightly in the fourth quarter of 2010, down 0.3% as domestic consumption slowed down. But Japanese Economic Minister Kaoru Yosano says the decline is temporary.
The data confirmed Japan's economy was standing still in the October to December quarter, but we now see signs of the economy picking up, as car sales and production seem to have bottomed out.
Although Japan's economy still managed to beat expectations, growing 3.9% for the calendar year, it wasn't enough to maintain Japan's 40-year lock as the world's second largest economy. That title now belongs to China, with a total domestic output last year of 5.88 trillion, compared to Japan's 5.47 trillion. Beijing economist Sang-Bai Chuang says the figures are good for bragging rights, but in terms of purchasing power, he says Chinese consumers lag well behind those in Japan.
Our economy surpassed the Japanese economy, but our average GDP per capita is only 1/11 of the Japanese economy. So we cannot be satisfied only with the total GDP. China's economic prosperity is still relatively smaller.
Analysts say Japan's third-place ranking comes as no surprise, given China's large population of 1.3 billion people. In contrast, Japan's population is nearing 130 million. Bank economist Masayuki Kichikawa says China's growing economy is good for Japan if it means more consumers for Japanese goods.
This should be viewed more positively from the viewpoint of Japanese, because probably Chinese people would begin to consume more high-end durable goods such as automobiles, and probably China would become a very good market for Japan.
Despite the global downturn, economists credit China's booming economy for helping to boost growth around the world, including in the world's biggest economy, the United States, which has an annual domestic output nearly 3 times the size of China's. Arcega, VOA News.